siyanemukela nonke thine maswati ngemfokozo neluthambo.
Swaziland, my beautiful Swaziland.
I discover new things about you every day, and yet you still have so much more to offer.
The people are friendly, the food is delicious, and the places we visit are absolutely magical.
Catch me, Giyani Msibi, and the beautiful Nompumelelo Dlamini as we kickstart the new season of exploring our beautiful country, Swaziland, on Buhle Betfu. Each week we take you out on an adventure to learn more about the place we call home.
Visit our Facebook page and send us your comments about the show as we discover more of Swaziland's hidden treasures.
Hlomangwane, vuka uvakashi. Buhle Betfu is proudly sponsored by Swaziland Tourism Authority.